Today we're looking at an 04 Dodge Ram 3500 with the very common Cummins engine in it. Customer called out and said they were starting to notice some leaks in their driveway, some oil puddles and that type of thing. They were getting ready to have their driveway resurfaced, wanted to have their vehicle inspected because they really didn't want to have that continue on after spending the money to get their driveway resurfaced. So we brought the truck in, lifted it up. As you can see from these pictures here, the oil pan is in fact pretty rusty and is where the oil is leaking from. We advised the customer that they were going to need to replace the oil pan if they wanted the leaking to stop, which we always advise. You know, if you've got a pretty sizable oil leak like that, it's important to get that straightened out because you don't want a premature engine failure due to lack of oil based on a relatively inexpensive fix versus having to replace an entire engine. I told them what it was going to cost. They said to go ahead and get it taken care of. We went ahead and pulled the transmission and got the oil pan replaced for the customer. Got it filled back up with oil and ready to go. So if you're having oil leaks or you smell burning oil in your car after you shut it off, it might be a good idea to give us a call so we can take a look at it and make sure there's nothing that really needs to be addressed. You can always call us at the shop if you're not sure or need that type of situation inspected. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.